Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your phone using your speaker JBL Horizon 3. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. Now, if your phone have Lightning, you need to USB-C to Lightning, or if you have micro USB, you need to USB-C to micro USB. Then connect USB-C cable to your phone, and at the right side we have USB-C port also. So connect the second one right at this port, and your speaker should be connected to the power. So at the bottom we have charging port, and you need to connect cable what you receive in the package right to this port. And then, as you can see, now my phone charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.